Hello guys, today we will discuss about HTML. This is my first tutorial video on HTML. Basically HTML is called as hypertext markup language, which is an key language for any website to develop. After HTML, we will develop the HTML into the most programming language by using such as CSS, cascading style sheets, and JavaScript, Bootstrap and many more. Today we will discuss about the HTML first chapter. In this HTML, we will use Visual Studio Code to program all the things which we will develop in the website. For downloading the Visual Studio Code, we will use the Google Chrome. Once we have entered into the Google Chrome, we will enter the Visual Studio Code. As a search begins, we will go into the Visual Studio Code. And in this, if you're using a Windows, then you will download the Windows 64. If you're using a 64-bit installer, you can use this. If you're using a 32-bit installer, you can use that. And for the Mac OS, you can use this. After downloading, we will get the Visual Studio Code. Now I have opened the Visual Studio Code. At first, the welcome page will come, and after that we have to open our folder. Then we need to select any folder which we need to open. I have already created the YouTube HTML, so I will use this. You need to create some folder, and after that you need to select a folder. You can create a new file. Hence now we have opened our new HTML file. For this we have to first save it. Ctrl S, and it will get saved. Give it a name like demo. We have given the HTML extension and I am saving it. You can see the name change like demo.html. Now we will write our first code. In the Visual Studio Code, there are so many extensions, and we need to use some extensions to get our live protocol like we will use live server in this. As I am using a Visual Studio Code from so much of time, live server is already installed. In VS, we can use a doc subtitle, and after that we will, if you enter it, all the HTML which is already included in it will pop up. As we should name our title, something we can call it as a demo page. And here is our HTML, which is in the language called English, which means English. It's a meta tag where it's casting character for UTF-8, which is a globally enabled, which can be used in any of the servers. And we have our title called demo page. This is the ending of the head, and we will use a body here.
All the elements.
In the body tag, we will use all our tags. First, we need to write something which will pop up in our web browser. So we will use some paragraph type, which will be denoted as P. After that we can enter and it will pop up. In the paragraph type, we can write what is necessary to be published in our web browser. So we will write first demo class on HTML. We can give the headings to this paragraph also by using the heading lines, such as there are so many boundaries. H1, we will use H1. In this H1 we can write what is the main title of this demo section. It will automatically get ended. Oh man. And we have concluded our first demo page. And we will see how it will be prompted in the Google Chrome. Hence I am now using the YouTube h.html, and I am using from it the Chrome HTML document, and it will pop up from the Chrome. See, we have got our h1 section. This is our h1 section, and this is my first demo class on HTML. Friends, we can see that we can inspect an web page by Ctrl+Shift+I. In this we can see what is our source code. In the same VS Code, we wrote that in the head page, metal caret set UTF-8, metal name viewport, and title demo page. Hence we can see here. Same as with the body tag. In the body tag also we wrote our h1 session with we call demo section, and P. This is my first demo class on HTML. So friends, we will discuss about some more HTML and extra basics on HTML in my next tutorial on HTML. So please like, share and subscribe to my new channel. Thank you guys.